So hey guys, welcome back to TechJumbler, and in this video we will talk about this. If you're installing Flutter and you're getting this problem, so don't worry, I will show you how to resolve this problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what you have to do first, you go to Android Studio. It's already open. So what you have to do now here, go to More Action and then SDK Manager, and then you will go to Tools, and here you will see this Android SDK command line tool. And here what you have to do, you just install it, click on apply and then OK. Now it will download and install. So I was trying to install before also, so that's why it's already installed. And now what you have to do, just go and finish and then apply, OK, and go to your command prompt and type Flutter Doctor. Here you can see that missing part is gone. That missing part is resolved. Here you can see this. And now if you want to resolve this problem, Android toolchain, so what you have to do, just run this code, Flutter Doctor, and then you just copy and then paste, enter. And just type yes, enter. Then again yes, enter, yes, enter, yes, enter. Here you can see all SDK package licenses accepted. And if you will search Flutter Doctor again, so you can see your Android toolchain is approved. Here you can see the tick mark. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, so please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.